I'm Second Lieutenant Nicholas Rivera. I'm the platoon commander of Medium Girder Bridge Platoon at Bridge Company 9th ESB. I'm a 1302 Combat Engineer officer. In 9th Engineer Support Battalion, we have a standard bridging company which fields the Medium Girder Bridge and the Improved Ribbon Bridge.
I'm Staff Sergeant Green. I'm the platoon sergeant for MGB Platoon, Bridge Company 9th ESB, 1371. And we provide mobility to the MLG and the MAGTF as a whole, enabling wheeled track vehicles and personnel in order to get across various types of gaps.
A non-standard bridge is any bridge that is not either the Medium Girder Bridge, the standard bridges for the Marine Corps, and the IRB.
In the other category, we have non-standard bridging, which is taking the readily available materials, whether it's timber, concrete, something as basic as trees and dirt, sandbags, HESCO, whatever it is that we have available that we identify as needed for that gap, we can employ that to cross wheeled or tracked vehicles, or in this case, foot mobile personnel.
A unit having the capability to build a non-standard bridge gives them a lot of leeway where the standard bridges for the Marine Corps either don't fit the capabilities or their mission requirements of what we need to do.